Yes, good morning, students. Again with your GK class. We have completed up to topic famous island. Now we will start with the topic man-made structure and complete with the famous wars. So, man-made structure, that is page number structures, page number 56. Identify these structures and write their names in the space given below. First one, as you know, it is Taj Mahal, a white marble mausoleum located on the southern bank of the Yamuna River in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite third wife Mumtaz Mahal. Second, its height is 138.8 meter. Each base side was 440 cubits, 230.4 meter long. Mass of the pyramid is estimated at 5.9 million tons. So it is Great Pyramid of Giza. Third, the wall is made up of stone, brick, tamped earth, wood, and other material. It measures 8.850 kilometer. So it is Great Wall of China. Fourth, this village in Portugal has 828 inhabitants. The entire village was created around natural boulders. Many of these boulders are type of granite. So it is Monsanto. Fifth, it is a 71-meter tall stone statue built during the Tang dynasty. It is Lesson Giant Buddha. Then is next uh, the statue is uh, a rock a female figure representing Libertas, the Roman goddess, with who bears a torch. A broken chain lies at her feet. The statue is an icon of freedom, that is Statue of Liberty. 7. This iron lattice tower is 34 meter tall, about the same height as an 81-story building. It's situated in Champ de Mars in Paris, France. So it is the Eiffel Tower. Eighth one, this there is a popular monument in Rajasthan. There are 3,500 steps down over 100 feet at the water. It is Chant Bauri. Then ninth one, it is the largest cliff dwelling in North America. It was constructed of sandstone, mortar, and wooden beams. That is Cliff Palace. Now goes page number 59. Famous wars. Identify these famous wars and write their names. 4 to 7 December 1971, fought in the Western Theatre during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. The battle have pitted 120 Indian soldiers against more than 2,000 Pakistani soldiers in the secluded desert border of Rajasthan. The Indians were shot in armored vehicles with just one jeep mounted M40 and team tank recoilless rifle, while the Pakistani crossed into the border with around 45 Chinese T-59 and US Sherman tanks. It is Battle of Longewala. Then is 12 September 1897 AD. The battle was contested between just 21 Sikh fighters against around 6,000 to 10,000 Pashtun Afghan fighters. The single day battle was fought along the Samara range in present day Pakistan, with the Sikhs defending the Sarge post, that is Battle of Sargari. 22 to 23 January 1879, just over 150 British and colonial troops successfully defended the garrison against an intense assault by 3,000 to 4,000 Zulu warriors. So it was a mission situated near a fort by the Buffalo River in the present day South Africa. Battle of Rorke's Drift. Then 30 March 1814 AD, fought in the vicinity of Stone Built, situated in few miles north of American-Canadian border, when Major General James Wilkinson's 4,000 strong army was stopped by just 500 British and Canadian soldiers. And interestingly, more than just tactics, it was daredevilly that won the day for the Britishers when they mounted a suicidal charge down the American ranks in a bid to capture their first position artillery pieces. It is Second Battle of Loyal Mills. So this completes your GK class. Meet you next week.